Recording, yeah. We are recording. Welcome back, fellas. Yeah, there's the sun. Welcome back, fellas. Welcome back to my Fisher Tech channel. As always, it's a pleasure of having you here. So, we got a couple of unboxing today. Yeah, seems like this seems to be nothing too special. No? Nothing too dangerous, we could say. So, let's take a look. So here we are. We take our good friend the unboxing knife. So I want to start with this easy one. So there's the receiver, yeah, cover, my address and everything, and here you can see I paid €11.90 for a fan HP 250 G5 255 G5, blah 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 blah. Here we are. So let's take a look. Let's take a look. As you can see, PC Lecco. So let's take a look. The boxing. So yeah. So some reactions. Yeah. What do you have to say? Some crappy package, but not too crappy. Not too crappy. Oh, that looks good. That looks pristine. There's even a shiny sticker on it for some sort of warranty on the bottom and on the top. As you can see, 4-pin connector, 4 wires connector, live cam, yep, 4-wire connector. Great, that's what I need. Take a look at the fan itself. So, don't know if it is straight or what. Should be. Sorry. Sorry folks, I heard something and I thought that somebody ringed my door, but not. So, here we have it, our spare fan with this shiny sticker, pretty fancy. Yeah. So, I let it here. We will wait, my friend, change it. Place it here. Wait, I need a safe spot because maybe this will stay here for a while. So in there. So now we are into the main unboxing of today. I think it should be pretty juicy, and it could be even some sort of dangerous. So here we have it. You can see I cut it open. It's nothing good because, you know, you get a package, you nice cut it open like this, as everybody used to cut it. I'm joking. And here, folks, here we have it. A battery for a Samsung S5, and as you can see you can see how it was shipped, how this item was shipped. There's no advice of something explosive or something dangerous, as it is, because this is a lithium ions battery. It's extremely dangerous if punctured or if whatever. So if you don't put any kind of advice on a package with a fucking battery, you should wrap it. You should wrap it into something, some fucking paper. If you don't, you can't be that stupid. You're a criminal. You're a criminal. It's extremely dangerous. You should wrap it. Now, from where this thing came from? Roma International. Come on. Here, Roma International. You think it's possible to ship a battery like this? No, because we have to talk about it. What's your issue? This is extremely dangerous. You folks are nuts. You folks are nuts. Totally nuts. You can see no battery logo wherever. And battery shipped like this. Don't know if even, yeah, it's not straight, as you can see. I'm supposed to use a battery like this. Yeah, it's not not straight, but you can see it's bent. It's clearly bent. Maybe because it was flattened out together with this. Because of that, now it's bent. Because as you can hear, there's a sort of bouncing, because as you can touch something firmly here. Here, this is not bouncing, this is bouncing. Look how it moves. So folks, if I were you, I would avoid this seller, or I would just contact it for, I will contact it for saying, for God's sake, to ship properly the batteries. Oh Jesus, and nothing. Thank you for staying tuned. See you the next time.